guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Masinjeri. Now today I'm in an auctioneering farm. So here everything that you're seeing is on sale at a throwaway price. So I want to show you guys around so that if you need anything that you'll see here, you can just contact us there and then we can be able to tell you the prices. I cannot be able to tell you the prices because there are so many things around here. We have trucks, we have cars, personal cars, everything. So wacha niwaonyeshe, then if you see anything that you will need, you can just call and come and view it here at the yard. We have an auctioneering yard here and I'm gonna show you. So you see like that one, that's an ambulance which is also on sale. So I want to be able to tell you guys the prices because these things are so many, these cars are so many, the trucks, everything unaona hapa, it's actually on sale. Everything here that you're seeing here. This is an ambulance, if you need an ambulance. This is a what is it called? Subaru. This is a Subaru KDG auctioned. Everything here is on auction. That's a Toyota. That's a Nissan over there. KCC. This is a Toyota still. We have very nice cars over here. This is KDD. All these cars zimekuwa auctioned and they are all on sale. KDA, kitaka Nissan Note, it's just right there. If you need a Nissan also, if you need a school van, like that. So many things. If you need a bus, all those trucks that you're seeing here, they are all auctioned. If you need a bus, school bus, ukitaka gari mzee, ukitaka Subaru, kila kitu iko hapa. Ukitaka ile tinga ya John Deere, it's right there, auctioned. This one is auctioned, and these things, guys, they are being sold at throwaway prices. Ukitaka trucks, if you need zile tipa za kubeba clinker, iko hapo. This one auctioned. Everything here that you're seeing here. And then we also have kitaka excavator. Look at that excavator over there. Hizi magari zote mnaona, they have been auctioned. If you need a Nissan, it's right there. This yard is full of different types of cars, different types of items, tractors. Acha niingie huko ndani niwaonyeshe. Let me get here inside, I show you. So this is an auctioneering farm here in Nakuru. So everything that you're seeing here is on sale. These are trailers here. We have FAO, we have Mercedes. This is a FAO KDQ, and this is KDQ. Look at that. This is also a Mercedes trailer, KDB. Actually, this one is going for 2 million. If you have 2 million, come for this trailer here. Can you imagine? Hiyo inaenda na just 2 million Kenyan shillings. Look at this other. This is also a trailer. This is a pickup. This is the bus, business class. Hizi zote zimekuwa auctioned. We have Nissans over here. Everything that you're seeing here inauzwa, just call us and then we give you the prices of kitu yenye umeona inafurahisha macho yako ni unaweza taka. Imagine a Mercedes trailer going for 2 million. Can you imagine? Have those trucks over there. Just giving you a rough tour. If you see something and you want to inquire about any car that you will see here, if you see a tractor, kama wewe ni mkulima and you need a tractor, it's right here. We have a Subaru as well. Subaru Outback. Is it called Outback? Yes. We have Toyota. So guys, mniambie, what do you need in this yard? Just contact me. So guys, if you see anything here that you would love to know the price, or you're looking for something, a car, a trailer, a bus, an ambulance, an Uber, what else? Any type of car, any type of anything to put in the house, they are all here. Actually, it's just that the furniture cannot be put outside, but we have furnitures, electronics, all those items that have been auctioned and they are being sold at throwaway prices. So I said, why not let my Nescroon community buy these items if you're interested. Yeah, so that's it. Like, this is a right here, this is an ambulance, guys. Kama uko na hosi and you need an ambulance, this one is on auction. Then we have, there are so many of them. Cannot be, the camera cannot even be able to do a justice. So kama uko hapo and you need a Nissan KDD, it's right there. KDA Nissan. I've tried to show you around almost every part of this yard. Let me try. No access there. So guys, just let me know what you need or what you're looking for. A car, any type of furniture, maybe you're building, I got you. Trailer, yeah. Acha tuendelee kwenda nionyeshe. Hizi zote mnaona hapa zimekuwa auctioned. All their documents are here, as you have seen. So guys, my name is Masinjeri. If you're looking for a car, a trailer, a tractor, an ambulance here in Nakuru, a second hand to be precise, we got them here. So contact us on the number on your screen and then you come here for site visit. I'll bring you to this yard where we have a lot of options and then you can weigh the options and see what will make you happy. So yeah, until next time, I'm gonna see you in the next one. For now is a bye-bye. But before you leave, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. It goes a long way to support this channel so that I can be able to bring you more and more and more contents, right? So bye guys.